Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest in tech and gadgets. Today, we have something exciting for all you PC enthusiasts out there. It's the PC Motherboard Gaming Motherboard H81 M.2 NVMe and NGFF. Let's dive right into the details. This gaming motherboard is a budget-friendly option at just $46.59. It's compatible with LGA 1150 CPUs, including Intel Celeron and Intel Pentium processors. The motherboard comes with two USB 2.0 ports and one USB 3.0 port for connecting multiple storage devices. It features one PCI Express X16 slot, one PCI Express X1 slot, and one M.2 slot supporting NVMe and NGFF interfaces, giving you flexibility for your gaming setup. You'll find a variety of I/O interfaces, including 4 USB 2.0 ports and 2 USB 3.0 ports for fast data transfer. There's also a VGA port and an HD multimedia interface-compatible interface for high-quality visuals. Ethernet users will appreciate the RJ45 port for a stable internet connection. Additionally, there's a 3-in-1 sound interface for line-in, line-out, and microphone. This motherboard is designed for Intel 4th generation processors, such as Core i3, i5, i7, Xeon E3 v3 series, Celeron G series, and Pentium G series processors. It supports CPUs like the Core i7-4790K and i5-4690K. It supports two 240-pin DDR3 SDRAM desktop memory slots with a maximum capacity of 16 GB. You can use memory modules with effective frequencies of 1066, 1333, or 1600 MHz. The motherboard boasts a high-speed M.2 hard disk interface with its own jumper cable, offering support for dual-mode NVMe with NGFF. You have the flexibility to choose between high and low-speed PCIe hard disk switching and SATA 2.0 or 3.0 channels. With its sturdy 8-layer PCB material, this motherboard ensures stable operation for all your gaming needs. It's not prone to bending, providing durability for long-lasting performance. So, there you have it. The PC Motherboard Gaming Motherboard H81 M.2 NVMe and NGFF. If you're on a budget and looking for a reliable motherboard for your gaming rig, this one is definitely worth considering. Remember, it's compatible with a wide range of CPUs, has multiple storage options, and a high-speed M.2 interface for your storage needs. That's it for today's product review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more exciting product critiques.